sir, you are outstanding. This is first sentence.
Thank you.
And you correlate with the student so well. Mane, you make the student feel that you are understanding her or his problem and how to deal with it. You explain it so well that, you know, like you feel that, oh, I've given my life in somebody's hand who will take good care and who will guide me through my life and through my problems. ये बात बोलेंगे. And this seminar, this conversation one to one, it was, जिसको बोलते हैं, mind blowing. It has cleared a lot of things. It has given me a direction. जानते थे कि हाँ ये करना है, जिसको बोलते हैं ना, आदमी मन में जानता है भगवान का नाम लेना है, किंतु एक तो गुरु की आवश्यकता होती है बोलने के लिए. शायद आप वही बन के हमारी लाइफ में आए.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. We're really waiting for you to start the class tomorrow.